Exercise 3.2, question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle. We have to calculate the value of exterior angle of a regular polygon. Highlight this word in textbook and notebook both. Regular polygon of 9 sides. First question is 9 sides. So number of sides are given. So we denote number of sides by n. Exterior angle, if we denote it by x. So what is the relation between x and n? What is the formula do you know related to x and n? Who will say?
X is
equal to 360 degree upon n.
Correct. X is equal to 360 divided by n. Absolutely right. So 360 is here, n is here. So we can calculate the value of x by keeping value in place of n. Exercise 3.2, question number 9. What we have to find? Exterior angle. And we denote exterior angle by x. And this is we have to find. Now, for regular polygon, means this formula for regular polygon only. For regular polygon, we know that x is equal to 360 degree divided by n. Now we will keep value in n. So x is equal to 360. N means number of sides are 9. So 360 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 4 ja 36 and 900. So x is equal to 40 degree exterior angle. Answer K. For n is equal to 15 side, we have to calculate again exterior angle and for regular polygon. So formula for regular polygon is, this formula we will use for regular polygon only. So x is equal to 360, number of sides 15. So after division, what we will get? 15 to
24
24.
24.
And 15 for just 60. So x is equal to 24 degree we will get. This is the question number 2, second part. Question number 3, how many sides? By which alphabet we show sides?
X.
Side.
N.
N. So we have to calculate n. Does a regular polygon is given regular, okay? So regular polygon is there. Have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24. Exterior angle, how, which alphabet we use to show exterior angle?
X.
X. So x is equal to 24 is given and regular polygon also, and we have to calculate n. So n and x relation we know. X is equal to 360 upon n. So this time n is not given, x is given. So we can calculate the value of n by given formula.
Exterior.
Yes, question 3, given that exterior angle and we denote it by x is equal to 22 degree. Okay, this is given. 22 or 24?
24.
24 degree. And we have to find side. Side means n. N is equal to, we have to calculate. So for regular polygon, and polygon is also given regular. So for regular polygon, we know that x is equal to 360 divided by n. So now in place of x, we will keep its value 24 equals to 360 upon n. If we cross multiply, this one go this side and this one go this side. So we will get n is equal to 360 divided by 24. So divide 360 by 24. 24 1 ja 24. 24 कितना
15.
15 24
15.
बन जाओ 15. So n is equal to 15 sides are there. Means if exterior angle is 24, so number of side will be 15. Question number 4. How many sides? We have to calculate sides, so we denote side by n. So we have to calculate n. Does a regular polygon, again polygon is given regular, have if each of its interior angle, what is given? Interior angle is 165. So interior angle, we have not taken any symbol for interior angle. So regular polygon is there. Number of sides we have to find and only interior angle is given. So we know that there is a relation between exterior angle x is equal to 360 upon n. We know these things, correct? So n is number of side we have to calculate. So can we calculate exterior angle by this given information 165? Can we calculate?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
No, ma'am. We will do
Interior angle is 165 degree. Okay. And to find number of sides means we have to calculate n. Okay. And we know that exterior angle equals to 180 minus interior angle. So exterior angle we denote by x. So 180, interior angle is given 165. So 180 minus 165, what we will get? 15 degree. Okay. So exterior angle came 15 degree. So for regular polygon, because polygon is given regular in the question, that's why we can use this formula. So for regular polygon, x is equal to 360 divided by n. Now x is equal to 15 we have. So we can keep value. So 15 is equal to 360 divided by n. Now we interchange n this side and 15 this side. So n is equal to 360 divided by 15. Divide 360 divided by 15.
24.
24. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 4 ja 60. Correct, 24. So n is equal to 24 sides if interior angle is 165. Question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon? Means polygon is regular, means all sides are equal and angles also equal, with measure of each exterior angle is 22. Each exterior angle is 22. So exterior angle measurement is given, means x is given, x is equal to 22. Polygon is regular and it is asked that it is possible to have a regular polygon with measure of which exterior angle is this. So if we calculate the value of n, if number of sides come in countable form, so we will say yes, it is possible. If number of sides not come, suppose it is come in decimal form or in fraction form, so we will say no, it is not possible. Question number 5a, given that exterior angle is 22, so we have to check is this a exterior angle of a regular polygon. So for that we will calculate the value of n. Okay, So we know that for regular polygon, x is equal to 360 divided by n. X is given 22, so 22 360 divided by n. Interchange, so n is equal to 360 divided by 22. Both divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 8 ja 16, 180. Now 180 upon 11, see. 180 upon 11. 11 1 ja 11. 8 minus 1 is 7. Bring down 0. 11 6 are 66. 70 minus 66 we will get 4. There is nothing to bring down. So put decimal. 11 3 ja 33. 40 minus 33 we will get 7. This process will continue. So you can see here n is equal to, we are getting 16.3 approximately. और नंबर ऑफ साइड कभी डेसिमल में हो सकती है कि मेरे पास 3.4 साइड है, हम ऐसा बोलते हैं क्या कभी? नंबर ऑफ साइड तो होल नंबर
No,
होता
ma'am.
है ना? हम बोलते हैं 5 साइड है, 6 साइड है, 7 साइड है, ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलते कि नंबर ऑफ साइड 16.3 है या नंबर ऑफ साइड 1/2 है. We never say. It means it is not possible to have an exterior angle 22 in a regular polygon. Clear? So final statement, no. It is not possible. Hence, no, it is not possible to have a regular polygon with exterior angle is 22. Question number 5B. Can it be means who? Can it be? It means who?
A1.
A1.
Regular polygon.
Yes, right. Talking about 22. Can it be means can 22 degree be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why or why not? Can it be मतलब फर्स्ट से रिलेटेड है, उनसे पूछा है कि जो 22 डिग्री फर्स्ट वाला एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, तो 22 डिग्री क्या है, वो इंटीरियर एंगल हो सकता है क्या रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन का, ये हमें पता करना है. ठीक है, सो होगा कि नहीं? Let's check. Question number 5B, it is given that now in first part, whatever measurement 22 is there, if it is an interior angle, so रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन होगा या नहीं बताना है. सबसे पहले हम निकालेंगे एक्सटीरियर एंगल x is equal to 180 minus interior angle. 180 minus 22,
158.
158 degree. Correct. 158 degree. Now we will calculate, this is x we have, and we have to check for regular polygon. So for regular polygon, x is equal to 360 divided by n. In place of x, we will keep 158 is equal to 360 divided by n, or n is equal to 360 divided by 158. Now we will see it is whole divisor or not. So 158 and 360 both divisible by 2. 2 7 ja 14. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 9 ja 18, 79. And 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 180. 180 divided by 79. Is it divisible by any number?
Yes, ma'am. 4.
4. 4 कैसे होगा? 9
ma'am,
plus
no.
7. No, it is not divisible by any number. So we will divide just 180 by 79 directly. So let's see what we will get. After dividing, we get answer 2.27. So number of side 2.27 हो सकती है क्या?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
So that's why again, hence, no, it cannot be. No, it cannot be an interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay. Question number 6. What is the minimum interior angle? Minimum मतलब सबसे छोटा interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? Is it possible to have a minimum interior angle for a regular polygon? So which polygon has minimum number of angles?
Triangle.
हाँ, ऐसा कौन सा शेप है जिसमें नंबर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल सबसे कम होते हैं? दैट इज ट्रायंगल. करेक्ट. सो ट्रायंगल में ऐसा कौन सा उसका नाम क्या होगा कि जैसे हम रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन बोले?
Equilateral triangle.
इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. एब्सोल्युटली राइट. द इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल being a regular polygon of 3 sides has the least measure of an interior angle. So draw an equilateral triangle. What is the measure of each angle? So x plus x plus x is equal to 180 by angle sum property.
60 degree.
60 degree, correct. So 3x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 3. So x is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So this is the answer. Minimum measure of angle, interior angle is 60 degree in a regular polygon. So second question is, what is the maximum exterior angle? In first one, it is as minimum interior. So maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. So हमने interior angle minimum निकाल लिया है 60. So exterior angle कितना हो जाएगा? Formula exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 60. So you will get the result for D1. What is 120? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
From part A, we have calculated minimum interior angle is 60 degree. So maximum exterior angle equals to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree.